This soup is prepared with a very special ingredient. A nest of the swiftlet bird.
Ito naman yung laway ng laway mismo ng ibon. Hindi katulad ng ibang ibon na yung ginagawa nilang pugad is yung mga dahon-dahon.
The soup is considered a delicacy around the world. One bowl can cost as much as $100. Harvesters have to climb slippery cliffs just to find and collect the coveted nests. We went to the Philippines to find out how this infamous dish is prepared and why it's such a rare treat. Meet Robin Palacio Jr. He's a chef at Lidans, a restaurant here in Taytay.
Gagawa ako ng lomi with special ingredients. Yun na po yung nest. Ito po yun siya.
Lomi is a traditional Filipino soup made with egg noodles, meat, and vegetables. Preparing it is simple. You start by simmering some garlic and onion in olive oil. Then Chef Robin adds veggies and noodles before the swiftlet nest goes in. It only takes about 45 seconds for the nest to cook. And he adds some of the nest in the end as garnish. The nests are rich in protein and amino acids. And they cost between $1,000 to $10,000 per kilogram, depending on the quality.
Sa tingin ko, yung kumakain lang ng soup ng balin sa sayaw, yung mga mayayaman lang talaga. Kaya nilang bilhin kasi medyo may kamahalan talaga. Yung mga katulad natin, medyo parang wala na lang.
Gathering the main ingredient requires years of experience. Alvin Villarendo climbs cliffs that are up to 100 feet high with no harnesses or safety gear.
Kunting pagkakamali mo lang, wala na, diretso na talaga, laglag ka na talaga.
The men in Alvin's family have been doing this job for generations. Their ancestors discovered the caves on Nabat Island hundreds of years ago. Now they're the only ones allowed to pick the nests during harvest season between December to April. Alvin can find as many as 2,500 in those 5 months. Locals also believe in the healing power of bird's nest soup.
Sobra sigurong daming makukuhang benepisyo sa medicine ng isang tao na makakain ng soup ng balin sa sayaw.
Alvin's wife Marby drank it after giving birth.
Yung healthy yung aking katawan. Tapos pagdating sa baby, kasi breastfeed, malakas siya, nagpapagatas talaga siya.
Studies show the soup is high in sialic acids, which improve neurological and intellectual function in infants. And here in the Philippines, people claim it has other health benefits too.
Ting sa sexual ng lalaki daw, malaking tulong daw yan. Kahit sa mag-asawa.
Nakatanggal siya ng hangover sa mga manginginom.
While those claims haven't been proven, the soup is still a favorite in China, Indonesia, and among locals in the Philippines.
Yun lang masasabi ko talaga sa kanya. Amazing talaga siya.
Yung lumi.